Hi there, it's Morna, and welcome again to my stairwell. This video is all about researching competitive products, and this video comes with a downloadable checklist, which you can download down below and follow the link. And yeah, if that's of interest, then stay tuned. So before you start to design any product, you need to know what is on the market, what is existing, what will your design compete with. So that's the whole purpose of this exercise, and it's typically something that's done at the very beginning. You know, once you have the design brief defined, then you're going to want to do and look at what is existing on the market. Your client may come to you and say, oh, these are our competitors, and that's great. You can use that information. That's always good to know. But I would highly encourage you to always do your own research, even if your clients say, oh no, you know, we've done the research, or here, this is a bunch of research. It's just a really good habit to get into, to always do your own research, because typically, it depends on the client, but typically clients are not always the best at doing their own research. Now there's two kind of typical scenarios that you will be in when you are first starting a project. And one, you will be redesigning something. You'll be designing, and what I mean by that is you will be designing either second, third, fourth generation of something that already exists on the market, and there's like a bajillion of them, or maybe there's 5 of them, or you know, however many there are. But it's something that's well known, it exists, you know, it's not that difficult to research and find things. The second scenario is where your client comes to you and they're not sure if their product idea exists in the world. So first of all, I should say that, you know, our search as designers does not replace like going to a lawyer and doing a proper patent search. You know, if you're talking about patents, then you really should be talking to a professional patent lawyer. The second thing I wanted to say is that if you are, as the designer, just doing some initial research, just to see, you know, does this thing exist? Is it out there? That kind of research. Then I tend to come at these things from a pessimistic point of view. The thing is that the world is so saturated with products that the chances is that this idea probably does exist somewhere in the world in some form. So I always come at it from the approach of, okay, this thing probably exists, I just need to find the right combination of words to describe it. So then it becomes like an exercise, is just straight up Google, straight up researching in Google and trying to come up with different combinations of words or ways of describing this product design idea. And, you know, don't just do a couple and then give up. I remember doing research. I was researching something for like 3 days, and eventually I came across this idea, and it had a patent in like China or something, and it actually became kind of useful for the client. So yeah, don't give up on the first couple goes. Like keep thinking of different ways of describing this thing. Now that's not to say that there are no new ideas in the world, and it could be that this thing does not exist, but the chances and the likelihood are that it probably does in some form. So I don't mean to be discouraging, but there's just so many things out there in the world. So in the downloadable checklist that I've given to you, it goes through all of the different things that I look at, and they are, I think, pretty straightforward: appearance, size, you know, all of the features, all of this whole list of things. And I feel like it would be really boring to just read it out to you on this video. So I'm going to let you take a look at the checklist itself and yeah. And if you have any questions though, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more product design videos, then subscribe. And we'll see you later.